Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2, today we'll solve from weekly assessment number 5, fifth week. We will solve the first year 2026 in this first term, okay? This year. First question, choose the correct answer from the given answer. Number 1, the Gibbs-Common factor of 12x power 3 plus 6x power 2 is. We know 12 and 6 can divide by 6. 6 had common factor between 12 and 6. And x power 3, also x power 2, they are can divided by x power 2. Had common factor between them equal x power 2. Then, the had common factor will be 6 power 2. I will write here 12x power 3 plus 6x power 2. We can write 6x power 2 had common factor. 12 divided by 6 equal 2. X power 3 divided by x equal x. 6 divided by 6, 1. X power 2 divided x power 2, 1. Then the height common factor between them equals 6x power 2. Next question number 2. 5x power 2 plus 15xy equal 5x product by what? We can divide it. 5x power 2 divided by 5x equal 5x. 15xy divided 5x equal 15 divided by 5 equal 3. xy divided by x equal y. Question number 3. Factorize polynomial taking the least common factor about letter E. We have 6x power 2 subtract by 2x power 3 plus 6x power 4. Write 2 had common factor and also x power 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. X power 2 divided x power 2, 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. X power 3 divided x power 2 equal x. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. X power 4 divided x power 2 equal x power 2. Letter B. X times x plus 5 subtract by 3 product by x plus 5. We can write x plus 5 had common factor between them. Divide this term by x plus 5, it will be x. 3 product by the expression divided x plus 5 equal 3. Next question, find in R solution set of 5 power 2 subtract by 25y equals 0. We can write height common factor between two terms, write 5y. 5 divided by 5, 1. Y power 2 divided by y equal y. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. Y divided by y equals 1. 1 times 5, 5. We have two factors. The product of them equals 0. Then the first factor will be equal 0 or the second will be 0. Then 5y will be 0 here. So the value of y equals 0. Or 5 here will be 5. Then the solution set, it will be 0 and 5. Next question, letter B. 3x power 2 plus 18x equals 0. We can write 3x height common factor between them. X power 2 divided x equal x. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Then we have 3x equals 0 or x plus 6 equals 0. Then x here will be 0 or x equal negative 6. Then the solution set will be 0 and negative 6. We have two solutions. Next question, choose the correct answer. 12x power 2 plus 8x. We can write 4x height common factor. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. X power 2 divided x equal x. 8 divided by 4 equal 2. X divided x 1. Then the height common factor between them equal 4x. Choose letter C. Next question, number 2. 6x power 2 plus 18xy. We can write 6 height common factor, x also height common factor. 6 divided by 6 equal 1. X power 2 divided x equal x. 18 divided by x equal 3. By 6 equal 3. X divided x 1. Then write y here. Choose the answer here. Okay. Next question. Factorize polynomial. Letter E. We have 5x power 2 subtract by 10 power 3 plus 15 x power 4. We can write 5x power 2 had come factor between three terms here. 5 divided by 5, 1. X power 2 divided x power 2, 1. 10 divided by 5 equal to x power 3 divided x power 2 equal x. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. X power 4 divided by x power 2 equal x power 2. Okay, it's factorization. Next question, letter B. Letter B, we have x product by x plus 1 subtract by 7 product by x plus 1. We can write x plus 1 had come factor between two terms. This expression divide x plus 1, it will be x, and this expression divide x plus 1 equals 7. Simplest form. Okay, next question. For the solution set in real number, we have 9y power 2 subtract by 18y equals 0. We can divide it by 9y, had come factor between them. 9y power 2 divide 9y equal y. 18 divided by 9 equal 2. Y divided by y equal 1. Then we have two factors. The product of them equals 0. Then the first 0 or the second will be 0. We can write 9y equals 0 or y minus 2 equals 0. We can divide it by 9. The value of y equals 0 and here y will be 2. Then solution set in real numbers, we have 0 and 2. Okay, we can solve also letter B. We have 2x power 2 plus 12x equals 0. We can write 2x had come factor between them. 2 divided by 2, 1. X power 2 divided by x will be x. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then we have 2x equals 0 or x plus 6 equals 0. Then the value of x here equal negative 6 or x will be equal 0. Next question, group letter C. The discount factor between 9x power 3 plus 3x power 2. We know 9 and 3 can divide by 3. And x power 3 and x power 2 also can divide by x power 2. In the head factor between them, it will be 3x power 2. Number 2, 4x power 2 plus 12xy. We can write 4 head factor between 12 and 4, and x power 2 and xy, x head factor also. 4x power 2 divided by 4x, it will be x, and 12 divided by 4 equal 3. xy divided by x, it will be y. Then the answer here, x plus 3y, choose letter C. Factorize letter E. We have 4x subtract by 12x power 2 plus 16x power 3. We can write 4x had come factor between 1, 2, 3. 4x divide itself 1. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. X power 3 divided by x equal x. 16 divided by 4 equal 4. X power 3 divide x, it will be x power 2. Letter B. A product by a plus 4 subtract 3 product by a plus 4. We can write a plus 4 divided by a plus 4, it will be a minus 3. Find solution in real numbers. Letter E, we have 10 y power 2 subtract by 30y equals 0. We can write 10y had come factored. Y power 2 divided by y equal y, and 30 divided by 10 equal 3. Y divided by y equal 1. Then we have 10y equals 0 or y equals 0, and y will be equal 3. The solution set will be 0 and 3. Letter B. 5x power 2 plus 15x equals 0. We can divide it by 5. Right, 5 had come factor between them and also x. 5x power 2 divided by 5x equal x. 15x divided by 5x equals 3. Then 5x equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. Then we can divide it by 0 here, then x will be 0 or x equal negative 3. Then the solution set here 0 and -3. Understood? We solve equation letter A and letter B. Now, okay, let's finish questions.